Hello everyone, welcome to Mondays with Maya. I'm here with a very special friend, artist, designer, Carmen Molina. Here she is. Hi Carmen.
Hi Maya, so happy to be here.
Yes, I'm so happy to be here. Her house is so amazing. She creates all these beautiful kimonos. Look at the colors and the throws and the curtains, the pillows. Oh my God, I'm in awe. I'm just like in a candy shop. I don't know what to choose. So please, she draws her inspiration in meditations and in yoga. And please tell us a little bit more. How do you get to these colors? What's
The
inspiration?
colors, they're in nature. They're all over. They're around. So my thing has been to move around the world. I've always been an explorer.
Wow.
So I will be moved by textures. I will be moved by places, by colors. In the ocean, in the islands, wherever I go, whether it's the Mediterranean or Colombia, or if I go to Stockholm in Sweden or England, there's always beautiful textures, colors around us. So I will photograph them.
Wow.
And
because she's a photographer as well.
Right.
So that's
all of this is made with photography.
Okay. And then what's the process?
So photography is like my brush. I will take many beautiful images and create a library. And then I go home when I'm inspired and I take a little bit of this rusted steel or a little bit of this water in this light, right? Or this plant.
Right.
And I just start painting with it. And so I don't know what I had in here, but probably
I know this is for me like volcano,
Yeah.
like right in the middle of the orange, the second chakra, the third chakra, the fire, the yellow. I mean, it's so beautiful. And this to me speaks like the heart chakra, the green, the mellow and beautiful feminine. Oh my God, I love it.
And speaking of color, I was in India for a while.
Right.
And India awakened my sense to color. Because wherever you go there, you see these incredible, vibrant magentas and oranges and the sunsets and that are everywhere. Sunsets are everywhere. But why do we have so much love for a sunset? It's just that intensity and richness of colors.
Yes.
So you capture them with the camera and then I use them. But it cannot be made by the computer. It's something that is out and you just capture it.
So beautiful, and it makes you happy. As soon as I see this color, it just makes me alive.
Yeah,
it makes me
they
so
have a
happy.
mood.
So how does this work with your meditation? Because I know you're a meditator, you meditate and get your messages. Is it like with yoga and meditation that suddenly some pieces click together? I mean, that's how I kind of create, but I'm sure.
When I was in India 4 years ago, I was doing a lot of meditation. I still do it, but when this work was conceived, I was struggling with, like we do, and meditation was a way to disconnect from all the thoughts and just allow all my my creativity to come out, because we get so stuck in the thoughts, right?
Yes.
So I think when you can get to a place where you have that emptiness, then your truth can show up.
And that's exactly what we've been teaching and studying. It's like when you quiet your mind, then you allow your creativity to come through. And then you listen to that voice. You listen and discriminate. You recognize, you admit, you accept that voice, and you know that's the true voice. That's where the creation happens. Yes.
Right. Yeah,
Beautiful.
because we can.
So where do we get your stuff? How do we find it?
Well, I have a shop online.
Okay.
You go to Carmen Molina Silk, which is my site for prints on silk, and then I also have a website for my art, which is carmenmolina.com.
Because you make paintings as well. Because
Right.
I see your house and those curtains are so beautiful. And the throws for the sofas and everything, and the pillows. I love it. I mean, you can create your whole house like a beautiful, yummy, almost like the nature inside the house. That's how I feel in your house.
And the thing is that when I discovered silk, I fell in love with this beautiful fiber, because it's very soft. It's very good for the body. It breathes. You don't get it doesn't stick to your body. Sometimes you can buy fabrics, textiles that feel very smooth, but you wear them and they're sticking, the smell gets stuck to it. So it's not comfortable.
Doesn't breathe, yeah.
It doesn't breathe. You go through your days and you cannot wait to get home to get off those fabrics.
Of course, silk is like
So
the best thing.
silk is it's like a caress all day long. Imagine being like caressing. And then it also has this luster. That's why for the drapes it works so nicely. It has a luster that makes the colors very rich. So you can get a feeling of that which I so love in nature, that intensity of colors, that shine and that light. So it works really well. So because silk has the property that it's fluid, it can be in many places. It can be a cloth, it can be a drape. So I'm just letting it be.
Oh, so beautiful. This is an example of how meditation helps you, yoga, and how you can let your creativity fly and show the world what you're made of and what the world is made of, so you can bring that nature right inside your home. So thank you so much, Carmen. Thank you.